How is there no one here?
I don't know.
That is literally not a soul here. Location, 10 out of 10. Can't believe that there's no one here still. Here in Mexico, they just want a tip for anything. You fucking say hello to them, they'll ask you for a tip. You say hola, and they go, okay, tip, tip. Good morning. Another day here in fucking paradise. Check the fucking views. What? Are you crazy? Are you dumb? Look at that. That is absolutely nuts. Right. Today we are driving down to Tulum because I've heard you can't come to Mexico without going to Tulum. So we booked an Airbnb for tonight. It takes us about 2.5 hours to drive down. So we're going to set off now. What time is it now? I think it's about 20 past 11 right now. So we're going to drive down there. We're going to like a little, we're going to first drive because check-in isn't till 3 and it's only 11 now. So we're going to drive down there now, go to a beach club, chill by the pool, have some food, check into the Airbnb, and I'll give you a tour of the Airbnb when we get there. Whoa, these fucking views, man. What? I've never seen something more beautiful than this. Wow. In that little pool right there, I don't know if you can see on this camera, but there's dolphins in there where like you can go, like you can pay in this hotel, pay like $130 to swim with dolphins in that tiny pool. How inhumane is that? There's like 4 of them as well. All they do is swim in circles all day long. That is so peak. And look, the sea's just there. And they're stuck in that little tiny pool. So sad. But damn. Yeah, okay, let's go. Can we get some beers for the fridge, please, and water?
No.
Beers? Thank you. We'll just fill up there, stock that up, get some more beds for the journey. Look at the views. The views of this hotel though, we're on top floor. It is mad. Okay, just finessed Donnie for more drinks. Let's go. Let's go and get in the car. Shows the outfit then. Damn, son. Damn, Daniel. Okay, let's go. This elevator is always like a sauna. Right. Level.
At least we've got more water.
Yeah, and more beers. Da, 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 da. Okay, let's go. Come on, oh! Nearly fell. Yeah, Cancun is just beautiful. Right, let's find the motor. Let's see if it's still there. Thing is about here as well, when you come back later at night, there's like no parking nowhere. Well, there she is. There she is. In all her glory. Hold me, baby. Okay, let's go. Right. Ugh. Did I leave my sunglasses in here? Looking better off.
No, is that your passport?
Huh?
Is that your passport?
Is that my passport? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a...
You should take that.
I know. Good job it fell out in the car. Right, one pair of shades. Where are my Prada sunglasses at?
Are they in the...
No. They must be in the room, fuck it. Okay, right.
Can I have this Fanta?
Huh?
Can I have this Fanta?
Yeah, 200 pesos though.
Shut up.
Thank you. Thank you.
What else do you want in the front?
You. Come on. Alright. Let's get out of here. Right, we're just on the way to the pharmacy because that aircon makes me feel, it's giving me a headache. So I'm trying to get some paracetamol and all of that business. but look at the flipping view. I love palm trees. There's a pharmacy literally just down here, innit?
Yeah, it's just
Where? There's GDP, the price go up if it's USD, come on! Let's go! Right, where do we go? I think you can get all the way around here. Divers, why can the guys indeed? Straight cruising. Just dropped Abby off at the pharmacy and I've gone around the wrong way and I don't even know where the fuck I'm going right now. Oh, left here I need to go. Is it left here? Yeah. Oh, feds. It's a police. Oh, there's Abby. Abby! Did you get them? Oh, what you doing? What you doing? Oh, how do I unlock this?
fucking lost idiot.
Well, you technically was a lost idiot. I tried to go down there, but then it was a one-way system, so I had to drive all the way round.
And they all the cars look the same. So I was literally peering in people's windows. They didn't have this.
They didn't have. What did they have instead?
They had just. I said, have you got like a combination of them? But all they had was paracetamol and ibuprofen mixed. But there was no point getting that. I might as well have just got them separately.
Alright, okay. Alright, okay, let's go.
So yeah.
Right. Hola. Just driving and we've seen a Mackey's. You gotta try a Mackey's when you're abroad. Huh? McDonald's, yes. McDonald's.
It's only one for pharmacy.
Oh, only for pharmacy.
You can put the card over there, but only need tips for me.
Huh?
I check the parking. I check the parking. Only need a tip, put the card over there.
Well, I do need to go pharmacy anyway.
Only pharmacy over here.
Yeah, I do need to go pharmacy.
Can you need shop?
Yeah, can I shop there and then go to Mackey's and come back?
I don't have more parking. It's for taxis. This is for taxis and for employees.
Okay. Well, we should have just parked in Mackey's
Only
there.
over there.
What, can we move that camera?
No, I've got no cash for tips. I've got no cash on me. I only got card.
Don't worry. Put the card over here.
Alright. So, oh shit, my phone. So we started off, you can't park there, you can only park here for a tip. Oh, I don't have cash on me. Okay, no problem, you can park here.
Or he means no problem, I've got a cash machine.
Imagine that, oh shit. Okay, let's go, where's my phone? Did I drop it down here? It's back here. Okay. So I mean, here in Mexico, they just want a tip for anything. You fucking say hello to them, they'll ask you for a tip. You say hola and they go, okay, tip.
I bet they've got the cones there so they can move them.
Yeah, exactly. Let's see what, oh, is this going to be like American McDonald's then?
Maybe.
Okay, let's go. Hola, can I have 5 million beers, please? I beg you can pay an Apple Pay. English. Just got a Big Mac, fries and a coffee, nothing new. So you don't really need to see that. Check the fucking spot though. Right, quick lunch break over. Let's hit the road, Jack. Oh my gosh, let's get this aircon on. Where are you going, buddy? Where are you going, buddy? The roads in America are so big and you can drive like, and they're so straight as well. This road's literally like 2 hours long. So you can just bomb it down here. No wonder there's so many crashes. I'll insert a clip right now of a crash that we seen yesterday. It was like the worst crash I've ever seen, like 2 lorries, 1 car on fire. It was insane. Right, we are now officially in Tulum. We're 10 minutes away from that little what is it, beach club ball. What is it called? It's called Ruby or something like that. We're just driving there now. Yeah, the scenery is complete. This seems like more like local Mexico. Oh, bless it. It's all like gridded though. It's all like a big massive grid. Local bin, man. Like the absolute back roads they've got me going down. Saying it's just down here. Taking me down some sketchy back roads. Hope there's no cartel down here. Feels like we're back in them buggies. You gonna let me go? Nice one, bro. Boink, 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 boink. Fucking hell, these roads are horrible. Is he? He had a good look. Is this it? Oh, another fucking... Can I even get through there?
Yeah.
Yeah, obviously I'm a fucking 10 out of 10 driver. Is this it here? I think this is it here.
Yeah.
Think so. Sunset Pool, Viewpoint Coffee. What more could you ask for?
Oh wait, look.
Oh, I think it is here. Oh yeah, Ruby, Tulum. Hola, do you know where I can park? Can I park here? Parking. Here? Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Lol.
What, literally just said?
I'm just gonna stick it here. Just gonna whip it here. Okay, you ready? Let's go. Hola. This does look nice. Hey, come on. Hola.
Hola, bienvenidos.
English, sorry.
Yeah, no problem. Welcome.
We're just wanting to get like maybe just a sun lounger and to eat some food and drink here.
Sorry?
Sunbed, food and drink.
Do you have reservation?
No reservation.
No. Okay, we have a minimum consumption of 500 pesos here
Yeah,
in the restaurant,
yeah.
and you can enjoy the place. Okay.
Okay.
You can ask it with the waiters on this side.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. I'm sorry, what? Wow, there's no one even here. Yeah. Let's go. Where do we even go? Come on, this is sick. Yeah. Where shall we just set up and get a cedar bed?
Yeah, how would you get over there?
I don't know. It's like a whole maze. Where's the waiter? He's got music here. What drink do you want?
What are you getting?
I don't know. I might get a mojito.
Yeah, I'll do the same.
This is lit. Do you like that? Where's the restaurant bit? Oh, these are the rooms. I've got like a little pool in the room. That's crazy. Going down some back roads. Yeah, no. That's just some back rooms. You don't want to be in there. What a gaff. What a gaff. Yeah, love me now. Talk about a spot. Oh my gosh, this is mad. How do we get to them beds there? Guess they're just walking there. Damn, who's that? Yeah. Should I go and put the towels on that bed down there?
I'm thinking maybe that one.
Alright, let's go and claim a bed. This is crazy. Claimed. Claimed. I am the captain now. Damn, this is absolutely mad. Is that magnetic? Yeah, it is. Come on. Come on. Why is it not connecting to me, G? Come on. Yes, bro. Let's go and get. Okay, let me bring my wallet. Cha-ting. Watch them say, sorry, because you're not staying in this hotel, you cannot use the beds. Hola.
For people, and it's close to the 4 p.m.
What time does it close for?
4.
Perfect.
But you need a 500 pesos for
Is it?
one people.
Yeah, is that like,
It's like a day pass.
We got told it was a minimum.
what, is that £500 between us, or is that like for like food and drink?
It's like a food and drink.
Yeah, perfect, yeah.
That's fine.
What do you want to get then? Do you want two mojitos?
Only drinks.
And tacos. Oh yes, now we're talking. Now you're talking my language. Right, tacos, that's definitely on the menu. And I think we just go with mojitos. You can't go wrong. Oh, Don Julio. Yeah, should we just get mojitos then?
Wait, I want to look. Yeah.
Yeah, could we have 2 mojitos then, please?
2 mojitos?
Yes, please. And can we just sit on them beds as well? Is that okay? Perfect.
But do you want something sweet? Or?
Yeah, we will, but not just yet.
Okay, but what time is this?
The time is 2:30.
Okay, yeah, you'll have.
Is that okay? Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Don't rush me, brother. Don't rush me, bro. I beg he makes it in front of us.
I think it does.
This is a spot and a half. I'm loving it here.
Same.
How is there no one here?
I know.
That is literally not a soul here. Yes, brother. This is mad. Oh, Wi-Fi, I beg. Wow. Muchas gracias, señor. Okay. Should we do it by the pool? Just right here. Where shall we sit? Just here. Need a bit of a trim. Whoa! Woo! Hey there. Yo, why are you recording me? Why are you recording me? Excuse me. Senor, he's recording me.
They are strong.
I don't like how it's got like big clumps of orange.
Yeah.
So then you have to boot it down. This is good though. Right, we just got 2 more. Oh, nearly dropped it. Pina colada. Cheers. Really
That's
good.
really good.
Really good.
I like that one better.
Look how much foam there is.
I know.
Is this a fucking beer? Can I have some pina colada with this foam, please? Flipping hell. Yeah. How there's only the bad thing about this place is only 3 drinks on the menu.
I
There's
know.
either this
they're not
margarita, which has got all this fucking seaweed in it. Not seaweed, but all that shit in it.
Mojito is
So it's
the
hard to
best.
drink. They don't have a mojito, and then they've got pina coladas with extra foam.
They had one more, but I don't know what it was.
Just tequila, he said.
Yeah.
I should have just got like a tequila lemonade.
No, these are way nicer.
Yeah, true.
You would think with a
But
place
yeah.
so nice, they'd have.
I know. But there's like, look, there's nobody here. There's literally not a single person here. Got it all to ourselves, which is crazy. Go on, trap me then, G. Yo, bro, come on now. G, track my thing. There we go. Yeah, this place is amazing. Right, food just came. Got ourselves some, what's that, fish, chips and whatever. Fish tacos, come on. Pina coladas. Absolutely chilling. Right, let's see what these are saying. Is that what we had on the boat?
Yeah, but it's got mango in it and avocado.
Mm.
Is it good?
Fish tacos. I don't know what this little sauce thing is, but
Yeah.
what? That sauce is really hot. Oh, woo! Really spicy. But yeah. Woo! Okay, that's it. Now we're leaving. Drinks were actually really good. Food was good. drinks good, location 10 out of 10. Can't believe that there's no one here still. But yeah, let's get out of here and go to the next Airbnb. So yeah, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yeah, or around here maybe. I think around here. Is it round it? No, I think it is round there. Oh yeah. Thank you. Aha. Thank you. Bye bye. Yeah, I know that flipping place. What was it? What's it called? Ruby Tulum. So if you're in Tulum and you want to come down to Ruby, say I sent you and you'll get 0% discount. Right, where are my keys? Where's my keys? Where's my phone? Alright, let's go. Back in the Wiz app. Oh, this car's gonna be boiling. Oh, okay, let's go. Right, I'll pick back up when we're like outside the Airbnb. Peace. Right, look at the back roads it's got me down. Like, what? Should we even go down here? Flipping hell. Talk about back roads. Back road bashing. It's best not scratch up the whip. Oh my gosh, I wish I didn't go down here. Flipping hell. KMT. More back roads. I think this is it. Pretty sure this is it here. But yeah, no, on Airbnb it looks actually really nice. Where can I pull up? Just pull up in here, I'm guessing. Whoppa. Ding, cha-ting. Let's go. Okay. It was literally just 5 minutes down the road from where we were just at that Ruby. Huh? No, it's here. It looks nice. Anyone at the desk? No. Hola. Here to check in. Yes. Where should we chill? Oh, there's only one seat. Yes, I think it shall be. What's in here? Any people? Yeah.
Javier.
Huh?
Javier?
Yes.
Nice
Xavier,
to meet you.
nice to meet you.
I'm Jair, part of the ceremonial team.
Okay.
Yeah, we have scheduled your check-in. It's 1 day, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let me just to verify to the co-access, and I will come in 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. You have your Airbnb message.
Reservation, but I haven't had a message from them.
Okay, we try to contact you by Airbnb, but if you want, you can give us your phone number because it's better the
Yes.
WhatsApp message than the Airbnb.
No problem.
That's all. And also we have the rooftop in both towers. We have 2 towers. Tower number 2 and tower number 1.
Okay.
And the roof is in the last floor.
Perfect.
See there the kind of jacuzzis, the hamacas area.
Wow.
Some chill spot. Also the barbecue, the fire pit, and some chairs and tables that you can
Perfect.
see the sunset.
Yes.
And during the tower number 2, this is the main pool, also with the canasters area, with the bathrooms. Normally, the use of the main pool it's at 10 p.m.
10 p.m. closes.
Yeah, but if you are with not too much noise
Mhm.
you are calm,
Yeah.
maybe it would be no problem.
Okay, perfect. So only a time limit if you're noisy then.
In the last floor, in the third,
Mhm. Perfect. Yeah, this looks nice.
the 111.
111.
And here with the code that it send you and the ending.
Uh-huh.
But
Wow. Perfect.
Wow.
Thank you. Yeah, wow, this is really nice.
and I think that will be all. If you need something, you have my number. Let us know.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Thank you very much, sir.
to meet
Thank
you.
you. Bye bye. Right, yeah, this is active.
Did he send you the code?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, we've got a little own private pool.
Have we?
What?
Oh.
No way. What? This is lit. This is fucking lit. Hey. Yeah, I like this. I like the aesthetic in here. Wow, this is active. This is good, I like this. What, little hammock job? With her own little pool. This is sick. Okay.